Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why belly fat becomes so stubborn after 40? You eat less, you try to stay active, but that extra layer around your waist just doesn't seem to go away. Well, here's the challenge. Stick with me until the end of this video, because I'm about to reveal 15 powerful foods that naturally melt belly fat, especially for people over 40. The truth is, your metabolism slows down as you age, and your hormones begin to shift, making fat storage around the belly much easier. But the good news? These 15 foods can kick your metabolism back into high gear, balance your hormones, and help your body burn fat instead of storing it. Some of these foods are probably sitting in your kitchen right now, and once you understand how they work, you'll never look at them the same way again. So, let's dive in. First up, avocados. Now, for years, people thought avocados made you gain weight because they're high in fat. But here's the truth. The fats in avocados are healthy monounsaturated fats that actually help reduce belly fat. These fats keep your blood sugar stable, which prevents your body from storing excess fat around your waist. They also control your hunger hormones, meaning you stay fuller for longer and avoid unnecessary snacking. Studies have shown that people who eat avocados regularly actually have smaller waistlines compared to those who don't. The best part? Avocados are super versatile. Smash them on whole grain toast, blend them into a smoothie, or toss them into a salad. So instead of avoiding fat, embrace the right kind of fat, and you'll see the difference around your belly. Number 2 is a little superfood. Blueberries. These tiny berries are loaded with antioxidants and polyphenols that not only protect your body from aging, but also directly target belly fat. One of the biggest causes of belly fat is inflammation, your body's way of responding to stress, processed food, and toxins. Blueberries fight inflammation and regulate blood sugar, which stops your body from storing fat. They're also low in calories and high in fiber, which means you can snack on them without guilt. A handful of blueberries can easily replace sugary snacks and desserts. Try adding them to your yogurt, oatmeal, or just eat them fresh as a mid-afternoon snack. Over time, these little berries make a big difference in how your body stores fat. Number 3. Carrots. These crunchy, colorful vegetables are not only good for your eyes, but also fantastic for melting belly fat. Carrots are rich in soluble fiber, which slows down digestion and helps regulate blood sugar, preventing sudden spikes that lead to fat storage. They're also packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene, which fight inflammation, a key cause of stubborn belly fat. Carrots are naturally low in calories, so you can eat a lot without overdoing it. Try them raw as a snack, blend them into juices or smoothies, or roast them with a drizzle of olive oil for a delicious side dish. Adding carrots regularly to your diet keeps your metabolism steady and your stomach feeling satisfied. Number 4. Sweet potatoes. Unlike regular potatoes, sweet potatoes are a superfood for belly fat loss. They are loaded with fiber, vitamins, and slow-digesting carbs that keep you full for hours. The fiber in sweet potatoes, particularly resistant starch, helps regulate blood sugar and prevents your body from storing fat around the belly. They also contain beta-carotene and other antioxidants that improve digestion and reduce inflammation. Sweet potatoes are perfect as a healthy alternative to white rice or bread. Bake them, mash them, or even slice them into wedges for a guilt-free snack. Eating sweet potatoes regularly helps stabilize your energy levels and makes your belly leaner over time. Next up, almonds and walnuts. These are small but mighty when it comes to burning belly fat. They're rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, which keep you satisfied and curb cravings. Almonds in particular help regulate blood sugar and reduce belly fat storage, while walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation, one of the main drivers of fat gain around the stomach. The key is moderation. About a small handful a day is enough. You can eat them as a snack, sprinkle them on salads, or add them to your breakfast. Instead of reaching for chips or cookies, grab a handful of almonds or walnuts and watch how your cravings disappear. Number 6 is fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which not only protect your heart, but also directly influence how your body stores fat. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and regulate hormones that control fat storage. Many people over 40 have lower levels of these healthy fats, which makes belly fat more likely to build up. Eating fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week can give your metabolism the healthy push it needs. Plus, fish is high in protein, which supports lean muscle mass, and muscle burns fat even while you're resting. If you're not a fan of fish, consider omega-3 supplements as an alternative. Number 7. tomatoes. These aren't just good for your skin, they're also incredible for your waistline. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene and antioxidants that reduce fat storage hormones in the body. They're also high in water content, which keeps you hydrated and full without adding extra calories. Eating tomatoes regularly can help reduce bloating, improve digestion, and even regulate hormones that contribute to belly fat. Add them to salads, soups, or make fresh tomato juice. They're one of the easiest foods to include in your daily meals and are powerful for flattening the belly naturally. Number 8 is for those who like a little spice. Chili peppers. Chili peppers contain a compound called capsaicin, which gives them their heat and also boosts metabolism. Capsaicin has a thermogenic effect, meaning it literally heats up your body and helps you burn more calories even after you've finished eating. Studies show it can help reduce appetite and fat storage. You don't need a lot. Even a small amount of chili added to your meals can fire up your metabolism. You can use fresh peppers, chili flakes, or even hot sauce. Not only does it help with fat loss, but it also adds flavor and excitement to your meals. Number 9. Apples. Apples are rich in pectin fiber, which slows down digestion, keeps you full, and prevents overeating. They also regulate blood sugar, which is key to reducing belly fat. Apples are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them a perfect snack. They also satisfy your sweet tooth naturally, helping you avoid processed sugar. Eating an apple before a meal can help you eat less overall. Remember the old saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away"? Well, it might also keep belly fat away too. Number 10. Cucumbers. These are one of the best foods for fighting belly fat because they're extremely low in calories but high in water and fiber. Cucumbers detoxify your body, reduce bloating, and keep you feeling refreshed. Many times what feels like belly fat is actually bloating, and cucumbers solve that problem. They're perfect for salads, smoothies, or just as a crunchy snack with a little bit of lemon and salt. Eating cucumbers daily can make your stomach feel lighter, flatter, and more comfortable. Number 11. Lemons and other citrus fruits. These are rich in vitamin C, which plays a big role in fat metabolism. Vitamin C helps your body oxidize fat during exercise, meaning you burn more calories. Citrus fruits also improve digestion, detoxify your liver, and keep your metabolism running smoothly. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning is one of the simplest ways to start your day on a fat-burning note. Grapefruits, oranges, and tangerines also work wonders for belly fat. They're refreshing, hydrating, and perfect for snacks or breakfast. Number 12. Garlic. Garlic doesn't just add flavor to your meals, it's also a powerful fat burner. It contains compounds that activate your metabolism and suppress fat-storing genes. Garlic also reduces cholesterol, detoxifies your body, and boosts your immune system. Studies show that garlic can help reduce both body weight and belly fat when consumed regularly. Add fresh garlic to your cooking, soups, or even mix it with honey for a natural remedy. Just a little garlic every day goes a long way in fighting belly fat. Number 13. Beans and lentils. These are some of the most powerful belly fat fighting foods because they're rich in plant-based protein and fiber. They keep you full for hours, prevent blood sugar spikes, and reduce cravings. Eating beans and lentils also helps build lean muscle, which is critical for boosting metabolism after 40. Black beans, chickpeas, kidney beans, lentils, you have so many options, and they're affordable and versatile. Add them to soups, stews, or salads, and you'll notice how much easier it is to control your appetite. Number 14. Eggs. Eggs are a protein powerhouse and one of the best foods you can eat for weight loss. They're low in calories, high in nutrients, and rich in protein, which helps regulate hunger hormones and keeps you satisfied. Eating eggs in the morning sets the tone for your metabolism throughout the day. Plus, the amino acids in eggs support muscle growth, and muscle burns more fat even at rest. Don't be afraid of the yolk. The yolk contains healthy fats and essential vitamins that your body needs. Eggs are affordable, easy to prepare, and incredibly effective for reducing belly fat. Finally, number 15. Greek yogurt. This is not your regular yogurt. It's thicker, creamier, and packed with protein. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, which are healthy bacteria that improve digestion and balance your gut health. A healthy gut plays a major role in how your body stores and burns fat. Eating Greek yogurt regularly can reduce bloating, improve metabolism, and help you maintain lean muscle. Just make sure you go for unsweetened versions without added sugar. Add fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness, and you've got a delicious belly fat fighting meal or snack. Now, before we wrap up, let me share a powerful reminder. While these foods are incredible, It's not just about eating them once in a while, it's about consistency and lifestyle. To get the best results, combine these foods daily. Stay hydrated with plenty of water, and avoid processed sugar and refined carbs that trigger fat storage. Make sure you're also getting enough quality sleep, because poor sleep spikes cortisol, the stress hormone that forces your body to store fat right in the belly. And don't forget to move. Whether it's walking, light strength training, or yoga, regular activity will amplify the effects of these fat-burning foods. Together, these simple but powerful choices create the perfect environment for your body to naturally burn belly fat even after 40. So there you have it, 15 powerful foods that naturally melt away belly fat after 40. Remember, it's not about starving yourself or following extreme diets. It's about choosing the right foods that work with your metabolism, not against it. Start adding just a few of these into your daily meals, and you'll notice your energy improving, your waistline shrinking, and your overall health reaching new levels. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments, which of these foods do you already eat regularly, and which ones are you going to start with today? If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and keep pushing forward. You've got this.